So my focus is pelvic floor challenges. That's a delicate area to talk about, not something you're going to really mention to your friends, perhaps even some of your loved ones, but absolutely essential to the respect and quality of life you deserve as a human being. My name is Dr. Seth Cohen, so I am a urologist, urogynecologist. Well, I'm a hometown Orange County boy. I grew up in North Orange County. I then shipped out to the Midwest and was in school for Chicago at Northwestern for undergrad for med school. I was fortunate to come back and do my residency training at UC San Diego and then my fellowship training at UCLA. Along the way during my urology residency, it became clear to me that I was most passionate about reconstruction, putting things back together, putting people's lives back together to give them form, quality, meaning. I really start with education. And so when a patient comes to see me, my goal is to give them as much knowledge as possible. This is us partnering in our decision making. And so you come, we educate, we do our partner decision making, and then we act. Sometimes act is medicine. Sometimes act is physical therapy. Sometimes act is surgery. Each one has a role, and I'm here for you in all those avenues. City of Hope Orange County is fortunate to be here, but gosh, Orange County is sure fortunate to have City of Hope here as well. I am fortunate to have amazing colleagues in our women's health service line with our gynecologic oncologists that I partner with to really provide an integrative model of care to improve people's lives, even in the setting of pelvic floor challenges resulting from cancer treatments. My commitment to each and every one of my patients is to give you my absolute all. The diagnosis and diseases we treat are serious ones, but there's absolutely opportunity to help, to beat back, to conquer, to win, to get meaning out of every hour with the people you love and with the life you want to live. I just feel so fortunate to be a part of that journey with those patients and to integrate and to work together and to give patient outcomes they didn't really think was possible. That's so special.